What's up, YouTube? Today we're looking at a knife made by Great Eastern Cutlery under the name Smith & Sons. I do believe it's a Mudbug. Maybe. I'm pretty sure, though. Pretty sure. Wow, what a piece. That's how it fits in the hand. A very nice piece of cutlery. I'm glad to have it. Let's take some measurements. $10.95 carbon steel. This thing is a workhorse. I'm meant to be. I haven't used it. Nice lockup. Both ways, yeah. Super great piece. Glad to have it. It is very nice. Wouldn't have it any other way. Before I put it away, put another layer of wax on it, just to be on the safe side. Coming up, you'll see some cutlery that is, well, not intentionally patinaed, let's put it that way. But it's not bad or anything, but that's about all she wrote for this one. Thanks for sticking with me to the end. Hope you folks are doing well out there. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye now.